Oh, when it's this hot.
Oh. It's about 35, I think. Oh, just doused myself with water from that little fountain. Cooled down a little bit. Lee's looking for, he's effing and jeffing over there. He's looking for some eatery establishment. You found somewhere for nose bag?
Well, I'm trying to work out where this one is.
They all open, ready to accept us?
No. Hang on. That one don't say. Closed. 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 Closed.
Yep.
Closed.
Welcome to France.
Don't know. Oh, look. Le Lord. Closed.
Really? Oh. They love it.
Yes, my lord.
They love a bit of Ferme over here. They love it. Oh, it's not looking too successful then. It's not looking too successful. Let's have a look at the temperature, shall we? I like to keep you all up to date with the temperature. 36.
Chez Francis.
Is that open?
Don't say. That one's Chez Many. So where's that? 2.8 miles away.
Chez open?
Yes.
Chez ouvert?
Open. Closes at 7 o'clock.
What is it? It's not seafood, is it?
I couldn't tell you. It's looks a bit odd.
I've just noticed something about you.
What?
Have you got eyes in the top of your head?
Yeah.
What's going on here?
Well, these ones for reading, these ones for driving.
Oh, 10-4.
I don't want a posh thing. I just want something. Oh, what's that? Closed. Closed. You are having a lot. McDonald's.
Oh, really? The golden arches. Ever faithful golden arches.
Yeah. Closed. No.
Oh, we can't, can we?
No, let's not do that.
Mate, can we though? Mind you, I could just do with getting in somewhere.
Do you know what? It'll be air conditioned.
I know.
Where is it? 5.8 miles away.
What is going on? I always end up in a McDonald's everywhere in Europe because everywhere's closed. Right. Lee's found a eating establishment. So that's where we're heading for, and if we see anything else en route, then we're gonna stop there instead. Don't really want to be going to the good old faithful golden arches, but one thing you've got to say for them, they're reliable, aren't they? They're always there. There's always a golden arches. It's usually open. It's air conditioned, you know, and they're all over, well, the world, aren't they? But there we go. So yeah, there's the part that we just walked up. There's the post office, look, or what we thought was. Madness, the whole thing. I don't really know what to say about it. I can't really explain because when you see what was inside and you saw the photos, wow. Anyway, wow, it's nearly 4:20 in the afternoon. Supermarket. We want to get some water in there. Oh, we're not going in? Yeah, it's 4:20 in the afternoon, 37 degrees. It's a scorcher. Now this is what I was telling you about, look. See, we've just come to an eatery, and in typical fashion, it's shut. This is why I bring food with me, because it's absolutely impossible to get some food.
The one that Google Maps said was open.
Really?
Yeah.
This is a Routiers as well. Les Routiers, like a truck stop, a driver's restaurant. So you would have thought it would be open. Me and my dad always used to stop at these. They were always open, but we did pass the supermarket.
Did we?
Yeah, when we set off. Says it's open. Huh? Says it's open. I don't understand it. I mean, this is a truck stop as well.
Let's go. Yeah, let's do what you said.
Fast food. Oh my God. 10 miles?
Loads of food. It's just
There's a Burger King and a McDonald's in 10 and 11 miles.
Yeah, well, let's do what you said. Go that way.
There's
Just see if we can find. I mean, there must be. You see people sitting outside this train.
absolutely insane, isn't it? I don't know how any business in France survives.
Nor do I.
Because they're just everything is just closed. It's almost, oh, my keys are sticking right in my leg.
But when you see things, how many times do you see things where there's delays at ports and stuff because French this are on strike, French das are on strike? I'm sure they're just lazy bastards. Tell me I'm wrong. No wonder they surrendered.
Oh my God.
They all win.
Yeah.
They all win. No. We don't fight. It's time for sleep.
Yeah. Let's go. What an absolute nightmare. I've told you before. This is why I bring the Yogi Bear picnic hamper. Mind you, you want to see the state of my baby bells, and that's not a euphemism. Yeah, the wax is all melted. The cheese is almost like dairy spreadable. I've got oranges in my crash bar bag. I'm not going to call them crash bars. In my mini bag, got oranges. Yeah. It's really hard work. You end up in a petrol station buying a jambon sandwich or a McDonald's. Just don't understand it. And when you go by Google Maps, like when we were in Croatia, you go to all these restaurants that Google say as a restaurant. You get there, it's someone's house. It has never been a restaurant. Just don't know. I mean, I got to learn what I do actually need on these trips and not take, I don't know, maybe even half the stuff I take. But when you chuck all the food in, that says open, look, that says open, look at that. Yeah, so you end up having to bring food, so that's even more weight. Anyway, let's see how it goes. I know it's going to go. I know it's going to go. We're going to end up in McDonald's. But anyway, let's see how it goes. Love you. Right, I've put in my sat nav, a restaurant, and it says, I don't know, it's about 2 miles away. Grill 147. It's going to be shut, isn't it? But let's have a look. I've run out of water. See, on here it tells you where they are, and it's got TripAdvisor reviews and all this kind of thing. The only thing it doesn't do is it gives you the phone number, but it doesn't give you opening hours. But I mean, it gives you the phone number, so there's nothing to stop you calling them up. Oh, if I haven't done that. It's going to be shut, you can just guarantee it. The only place that's going to be open, we're going to end up in Burger King or the Golden Arches. 0.3 of a mile. I think we just came this way, I think. There should be... Is that it? No. What the hell? Said it was there. Said it was back there. I'm just going to put the McDonald's.
How far away is that?
I don't know, I'm looking. Burger King 8.6, McDonald's 7.8.
You have a change, you go to Burger King.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Oh, 35 degrees.
Ah.
Pour 2 personnes.
We've we've found an establishment that's open. I can't remember what it's called. And cheers, dude.
Yeah.
Cheers, YouTube. Wow.
Isn't that nice? Get a cabo.
I can't remember what it's called, but it's a lemon beer. And she's going to do us a saucisson, a sandwich, a jambon sandwich, or something like that. So happy days. Apart from I ain't got shorts on, but other than that, can't have everything. Okay?
Okay.
See if you can guess who that is. Do it again.
Okay.
See if you can guess. Okay.
Sticky.
I've had a bit of
sticky helmet. Sticky. I've got a sticky helmet.
I've had a bit of a moment, and I just rang my mate in Spain, who I love very much, and
No.
What do you mean, no?
You left your mate. You rang your mate in Spain.
In Spain. I rang my mate in Spain, and I don't know if you can see from here. I doubt if you can see it over there on the GoPro, but there's a sight to behold. There's something very special about a young lady. Oh, maybe I shouldn't say young, that sounds wrong, doesn't it?
Well, yeah, I don't know.
You can't say nothing, you're married, shut up. There's a lady over there cleaning her car in the car wash. And, cheers, YouTube. It's very, I don't know what word is. I don't want to use entertaining. Erotic. No, I can't say erotic.
You just did.
But it's quite nice, just sat here watching a young lady wash a car. See, do you think women know that men like them?
No, they've no idea.
No, they've no idea.
No, they've no idea.
No, I was going to say, do you think women know that, like, some things that they think is completely natural to them, to us, or maybe it's just me, is like quite a special experience? Like watching that young lady washing her car with that jet wash, it's doing it for me a little bit. Well, no, it's not a little bit. I'm trying to dull it down a little bit to make me sound not like a pervert. I could stay here all day. We were only riding past to go to.
Well, no, to be fair, we did want a beer. We did want a cold beer.
We did want a beer. We've only had one. We were on our way to Burger King.
Only because that's the only thing that was open.
Well, this is the thing, right? Hang on, let me explain.
En français.
Let me explain. We wanted to sample the local cuisine, as you always do when you're abroad, you know. But as you've seen, impossible to get any food anywhere. In a minute, we might go to Burger King. We might not. Who knows? Who knows what the plan is, eh?
There is no plan.
We don't do plans. It's all an adventure. Do you know what though, right? I quite like just sitting here and just watching the world go by.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to sit outside.
It's really hot.
It's warm, isn't it?
It's aircon inside and nice and cool, but we opted for the outside option. Even though we're sweating our Jacobs off, but we're already soaking wet, so it doesn't matter. And we just sit here at this roundabout, at this bar, and just watch the world go by. And watch that lady over there. Watch it. I'll edit that out. Washing her car with her little skirt on. Viva la France. I can see us just camping on that roundabout.
Well, this place shuts at 8.
Yeah, we have actually booked a taxi. We're leaving our bikes. They've said we can put our bikes in the garage around the back. So we're putting our bikes in the garage around the back. Well, they're really nice people here actually. We're putting our bikes in the garage around the back, and we booked a taxi. It'll be here in 45 minutes back to the campsite. And then we get a campsie. We'll get a campsie back here in the morning. She won't be there. And get our bikes. And then we can ride back to the campsite in the morning. And then who knows what we do tomorrow, eh?
It's all a mystery.
It's the mystery. It's the mystery.